Hello, Hello Kitty family, said Daddy Pie. Oh, today, said Mama Mai, we have a surprise. We're gonna go to the Hello Kitty Ribbon Cafe. Yay, yay, yay! They got great ice creams there. Let's go! Oh, it's the sign, Welcome to Ribbon Cafe. Oh, I've heard good stuff about that cafe. Let's take a seat on this cozy table. Mimi and Kitty, of course, fell at home because that's where they were working all summer. Mimi said, "Look, Papa and Mama, we have those pink strawberry cheesecake. Yum, yum, delicious." And then Kitty said, "We also have chocolate heart tartlets with a drop of pearly mascarpone stuffing." Ooh, that is great too. Or perhaps you may like some carrot cake. We know the recipe, right, Kitty? Yeah, we do. What would you like? Is that okay to have cakes, or you may prefer ice creams? Or we can make something fresh. Let's do it for Mommy and Papi. Oh, working with Play-Doh and making different cakes for Mommy and Daddy, it was so much fun. Now let's make one little ice cream to enjoy last. Pink for Mama Kitty. Ooh, that looks yummy, yummy. Mimi was so nice to serve it to Mama Kitty. Here, Mama Kitty, enjoy it. Oh, I'm gonna make one for Daddy. I'll make just a cone from a brown Play-Doh and swirl around the orange Play-Doh on top. And I'll make it like a terrific, delicious ice cream. Maybe from mango. Yum, yum. Daddy Pie, that's for you. Girls, you've done a terrific job. Yeah, we love the Kitty Cafe. So much fun working in the cafe. Cakes, ice creams. Yum, yum, yum.